to my channel. So you know how I talked about how I want to embark on this healthy hair journey. But first of all, before I continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now. So yeah, I've been reading about a lot of natural things that could help my hair during this journey, and I've come across a lot of things, but then the ingredients that you're going to see in this video are those that I want to use. I want to use them, and you're going to see their benefits as the video continues. So when you go through them and then you feel like using any of them in anything at all, kindly let me know in the comment section, and then let me know how you're going to use it. So let's just get right into the video.